All right, I'm just gonna lean you up on the sponge here. Good old sponge. And I have no idea what your view is gonna be, but I think it's an interesting one. And we'll see if you hold up. You'll probably fall over when she does, but we'll see what happens here. See if I can block it here. I don't know if I can do this or not. Yeah, this is turning into a job here. Oh, there you go. Yeah, maybe. Who knows? You're probably not even going to hold up, so I'm just going to let it roll here. And we'll see what happens. Yeah, you're probably going to fall right over. But, oh well. As long as as long as Clarity does. We want her to fall over. She's falling backwards. That's the key right now. I've got to get her back about a foot. So, get her back and down in one fell swoop. 1, 2, 3. You ready, Clarity? Let's do it, baby. Back and over. There you go. Ah. Well, I got her back, not quite far enough, but I think I'll be able to manage it here from a lever, with a lever. We'll see. Everything else worked.